Floating giants. The hidden weight of clouds. Clouds. Soft, light, fluffy, right? They drift peacefully across the sky like nature's cotton candy. But what if I told you that same puffy cloud up there might weigh over 1,000,000 pounds? Yep, you heard that right. That gentle little cloud could crush an entire city block if it ever fell all at once. Let's break it down. Clouds aren't made of magic or fluff. They're made of tiny water droplets and ice crystals, just floating up there. Each droplet? Super tiny. Like 1/100th of a millimeter. But clouds are full of billions of them. Now for some quick cloud math. The average cumulus cloud is about 1 kilometer across, and it's shaped roughly like a cube. That gives us a volume of 1 billion cubic meters. Clouds are made of tiny water droplets. Scientists estimate their density at about 0.5 grams per cubic meter. Multiply that by the volume, and you get a weight of 500,000 kilograms. That's about the same as 100 elephants. So, why doesn't it fall on your head? Well, it kind of does, slowly. The droplets are so tiny and spaced out that rising air currents in the atmosphere can keep them suspended. But when those droplets start clumping together and get too heavy, boom, here comes rain, hail, or snow. So next time you look up and see a fluffy white cloud, remember, you're actually staring at a massive, floating reservoir in the sky. Not just air. You're looking at a liquid sky ocean, quietly hovering above. Nature is wild. Clouds can weigh millions, and still float. Science is cool like that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.